everyone, and welcome back to my channel, my YouTube. It's been a while. I actually did this look for Instagram, and I was like, you know what? It's long enough footage to be a quick, eye look tutorial. So let me share it with my YouTube fam. So here I am. This is the look that I created earlier today, and I wanted to share with you guys and see how quick it is to do such a pretty look with the California Love from Colourpop. And they also had sent me, I bought this one by the way, but this they had sent me, which is their champagne bubbles. It actually came out today and it's gorgeous. It came with the highlighter liquid, and it came with the brush for the highlighter and the brush for the pressed powder highlighter. And this is amazing. I mean, you could see it. So let's go ahead and get started so that way you guys can see how I did this. It's real quick, real easy, nothing to it. One thing I always say to anybody and everybody is make sure you blend and keep practicing, because the more you practice, the better you get. I was not very good and I'm still not perfect, but I'm getting there. So let's go ahead and get this started. So that's it. It was quick and painless, right? And to the point. This look is really easy. This palette is amazing. I really love it. So do I love this highlighter. It is blinging. I put a little excess because I wanted it to, for the camera to really pick it up, and it did. But if you saw me in person, I look like a disco ball. But I hope you enjoyed it. If you did enjoy this video, don't forget to hit like. And also don't forget to hit that little subscribe button so you could be subscribed, and then you hit the little bell, and that little bell notifies you when I upload next. And I upload at all sporadic hours and days. But if you have any questions on the look, by all means, feel free. I'm sorry if I make 100 billion faces, but that is me. I'm a very expressive. I make a lot of faces. Okay, it was so funny. It's funny because on Instagram, this girl wrote me. She's like, "I like your video, but you made too many faces, you know." And I'm here like, they were to make you laugh, and a lot of people laugh. Why didn't you laugh? But that's just me. My mom always said that I should have been an actress, and I guess I should have because I make many faces. But I can't keep a straight face half of the time. So if you're talking to me about something serious, I end up blah 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 blah. And making a joke. Anyways, that is all, guys. You all take care, and I will see you in my next video.